how to deposit a check using PNC Mobile App. Firstly, you'll have to open the PNC Mobile App on your device. So simply you have to open it. And after you open the PNC Mobile App, you'll have to log in with your user ID and password. So simply from here, you'll have to give your credential to log in from here. So after you've done that, you'll have to click on that sign in button. And after you log into your account in the PNC mobile app, you'll have to go with the option three line. It will appear on the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the option deposit. So simply tap on the deposit. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to click on this agree option. So make sure you have read this terms and condition. And after you click on this agree option, alright, so from here you have to select an account to deposit money to your that account. So simply you have to click on that drop down and simply you have to choose that account. And after that, on this section, you'll have to give the access of your camera to capture the image of your check. So simply click on OK. And now from here, follow the procedure to capture an image of check. So simply after that, you have to click on this continue. Alright, so after you complete the procedure, you'll have to click on that confirm option. So simply tap on this confirm option. And now we are done. So the check has been submitted to my PNC mobile app. So please keep your check for at least 2 weeks and make sure that the deposit has been credited to your account before you destroy that check. So this is the easiest and simplest method to deposit a check using PNC mobile app. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.